Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, it's Sijay Collects here. And today we're diving into another One Piece TCG unboxing. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new pulls or card talk. So right here we've got a full booster box, 24 packs inside. Yup, 24 packs, chances to pull something spicy. Alright, first pack. Let's crack it open and see what we get. Sad, just a bulk of cards. Nothing rare. Let's try opening another pack, shall we? You know, we should always hope there's something big hiding in here, right? Some of these boxes can contain high-value cards, whether you're collecting for the binder or flipping to fund the next chase. Okay, and we got, oh nice, it's the Kobe leader card. By the way, for those new to One Piece TCG, leader cards are a big deal. Every deck you build revolves around your leader. It sets your color identity, your strategy, and usually has a special ability that defines how you play. Alright, third pack, let's see if we can heat things up a bit. And, yo, let's go! Vinsmoke Reiju Parallel Rare from OP11. That's what I'm talking about. This one's sitting at around $6.71 right now. Solid value for a single pull.
Fourth pack, nothing special. But hey, we've still got a lot more packs to go. Let's see what's coming up next. Fifth pack, still nothing. You know, that's the thing with One Piece TCG, it can be a bit streaky. Let's keep going. Sixth pack, dry again. But we're not even halfway through, so who knows, something big might be waiting. Seventh pack, LOL, still nothing. This box is giving me the silent treatment, but it's all good. We've got plenty more chances. Eighth pack, okay, finally. We got a leader card, Charlotte Katakuri. Not bad, Katakuri's a solid pull. Definitely helps out in some decks. Ninth pack, still no luck. But hey, maybe we're saving the best for later. Tenth pack, still nothing. Alright, this box is keeping it chill, but we'll push through. 11th pack, let's go. We hit SR Helmeppo. Not the highest value, but it's a solid super rare. I'll take it. It's always nice to see a character like Helmeppo getting some love in the set. Twelfth pack, nothing. This box is really testing my patience, but hey, it only takes one pack to change everything. Thirteenth pack, oh, nice. We pulled the Monkey D. Luffy leader card. Not the parallel version, but still, Luffy's a classic, and you can never go wrong with him. Fourteenth pack, yo, we got SR Jinbe. Another super rare, looking great. Jinbe is a fan favorite, and this card's got some solid value too. Fifteenth pack, nothing. Alright, a little dry spell here, but I'm staying optimistic. Sixteenth pack, just a regular Dawn card. Not gold or shiny, but it's still cool to pull. Seventeenth pack. What the hell?
Oh my God, no way,
Nami parallel leader card. This is huge. This beauty's worth about $28. Seriously, this is the kind of pull you dream about. I'm definitely hyped about this one. The art and value make it a huge win for the box. 18th pack, nothing. Hey, that's the way it goes. Let's keep pushing. Nineteenth pack, still dry. But we've got that Nami pull to keep the vibes up. Twentieth pack, nope, nothing this time. But it's alright, we've still got plenty of chances. Twenty-first pack, man, we're hitting a cold streak. But hey, we're in the final stretch now. Alright, 22nd pack. Leader card Shirahoshi. Not bad, not bad. Another solid leader to add to the collection. Twenty-third pack, yo, we got SR Hibari. This one's looking nice. Love the art on this card. Last pack, Let's see if we can end with a bang. And nothing. But hey, that's how it goes. Overall, not a bad box. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the pulls, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What was your best pull from OP11? Also, don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Sijay Collects, for more One Piece TCG updates and content. Catch you in the next one.